Hello, welcome to AMTS video tutorial series. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to add a signature line to selected reports. This is a handy feature that allows you to further customize reports for your clients. To set this up, first you need a signature saved as a JPEG file. The easiest way to do so is to scan or photograph your signature on a blank sheet of paper and to save as a JPEG file on your computer. For this example, I have stored the file in My Documents, AMTS, AMTS.Cattle.Pro, Miscellaneous. After you have saved a signature, go back to your .pro program and open the file you want to work in. Once the farm is open, click on Settings to bring up the Settings and Preference screen. On the left side, choose the bottom selection, Report Signature. Clicking Select Signature will open the dialog box where you have previously saved the JPEG signature file. Select that file. If you wish, you can include more information in the signature block. Up to 2 lines can be appended below the signature. The desired information can either be directly entered or selected from commonly used field names whose values are generated by information supplied by the program or previously entered in Settings and Preferences. The second line information can be similarly selected. Either of these fields can be left blank. If a field name is already highlighted, hitting the space bar will cause the line to revert to blank. In this example, I am choosing long date for my second row. This area gives a list of reports to which the selected signature will be added. Checking any box will add a signature to that report. Checking again will remove that report from selection. The result of adding a signature block can be seen by going to Recipe, opening Reports, and looking at the report you added a signature to. In this case, I added my signature to Diet Summary Report. I have given you an example using a specific farm to easily show you what the signatured report will look like. The changes made in Settings and Preferences will affect all your farms. This is one way .pro saves time by eliminating the need to do this in each farm you work with. Settings and preferences can be changed anytime without having a farm open. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like more information, go to agmodelsystems.com.